Hello, welcome to another EagleSix Airsoft video. Today we're going to be demonstrating Tokyo Marui AA12. This one came in for repair and also upgrades. So we found the motor shell height adjustment lever had broken, so we've replaced the whole motor shell. We would have just replaced the arm if necessary, but we might as well replace the shell because it came as a whole part AA12-18, so we've just replaced that whole bit. Luckily we had that in stock. So we've got the 6 of the EagleSix bushings in there, bearings in there. So that's a full bearing set. We've also got EagleSix Tappet plate spring and Warhead brushless motor, the black version. We've also got 3 Prometheus type ball barrels. We've got the EagleSix hop arms, EagleSix M95 AES Spring, and 3 new hop rubbers. And we've got an EagleSix flat nub in the middle section. So hopefully that's all good and working. I mean, it is, as we've tested it at 65 meters on 3.2s, and it's shooting really nice out to that distance. And we've chronoed at 2.73, so it's well up there for 3.2s. Yeah, definitely going to be hitting hard. And yeah, we're ready for testing now. Pretty sure the FPS on these is about, what, 260 out of the box on 0.2s. So to then get effectively the same amount on 3.2s is a big increase in FPS. There we go. So yeah, all upgraded AA12. Obviously really nice when you can get them over onto the Warheads. I think they're a much better motor for handling, obviously a gun with a spring as big as what these use. And yeah, obviously all the other upgrades for increased FPS, range, accuracy, tighter groupings. Yeah, we hope you enjoy. Thank you.